Welcome to Sampurna Engineering channel. Today we are going to discuss about the crystal structure. And in my background, you can see that kya hai ye crystal structure. As the indication, why it is so bold? Because if you want to study the materials in its detailed structures, you have to have a knowledge of crystal structures. That forms the basis of any crystal as such. So let us explore that kya hai ye crystal structure. Chaliye, it's a journey and I will take you to this journey of crystal structure. Fundamentally, it is expected that you people are having some basis in your 12th standard about the atomic structures, the different arrangements of atoms which they preferred when they are in the nucleus. That must be known to you. And to extend that part of atomic structures, now we want to deal with crystal structures. Chaliye. So fundamental terms of the crystallography, the study and the science which is integral part of metallurgy, which studies the lattice structures, the crystal structures, is called as crystallography. So in detail arrangements of the atomic structures and their behavior in such a way that we want to discuss. Fundamental terms of the crystallography, let us first discuss that. What do you mean by a lattice? A lattice is a regular or periodic arrangement of points in 3 dimensions. Now, how to define this? If I want to define this, is any space around you. Suppose I am sitting in this room and this room is filled with some of the cubic boxes. जो पैकेजिंग के लिए आते हैं वैसे बॉक्सेस हैं और उस बॉक्स को एक सरीके सारे के सारे बॉक्सेस बनाए हैं. So with that boxes, now we want to fill the space which is empty. One over the other, I want to get it stacked and the space is going to be filled. So what I did with a peculiar arrangement which is periodic in nature and repeating so many times, I could able to feel the 3-dimensional space in and around to me. The room in which this is being filled is called as lattice. So a lattice is a regular periodic arrangement of points in 3 dimensions. Got this? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. To construct the crystal structure, as we form the crystal structures, we want to have some basic arrangement need to be fixed and every lattice point must be associated with that. How we are going to do that? The basic arrangement with which the lattice structure is going to be defined is called as basis or motif. So how it is to be represented? Here one figure which depicts that the lattice structure can be arranged like this. A arrangement which could be periodic and a regular one, repetitive type, that can be called as a lattice. Basis is this fish type of figure you can see here. What do you mean by the crystal structure then? Crystal structure is the combination of lattice points and the basis or motif. It is like this. Either the fish will carry the lattice point at the center or it will move regularly with a periodic arrangement. Let me take a pen for you so that you could able to understand that how this arrangement is. So a pen comes from this side. This goes like this. So this is this very peculiar arrangement which is repetitive in its own. And this repetition is happened so many times. On the other hand, here also you can see that the arrangement is same. The lattice points are arranged like this and near to that all these motifs are arranged. So it is a structure arrangement which is regular and repetitive in its nature. Got this point? That's why crystal structure is made up of lattice and the basis. Each of the point on the lattice structure that is combined together with the basis, together we will call it as a crystal structure. One more example will elaborate the concept. This is called as a basis. So the circle encircling is the basis. Here is one atom. It is encircled by the basis. What is the arrangement? Arrangement is very regular. It is having a specific distance and orientation from each other, and they are very specific in their orientations. So the location wise, these are arranged very specifically and repetitive type. This is called as a lattice. Although it is not at the center, it is eccentric somewhere, but still we will call it as a crystal structure. On the other hand, this is very simpler. These atoms, they are specifically designed to make a shape like this. This is also a lattice. So keep this in mind that motif and the crystal lattice togetherly we will call it as crystal structures. Got this point? तो क्या है ये क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर? अभी तो पता चलना चाहिए कि क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर दो चीजों से बनता है. एक है लैटिस पॉइंट्स and second one, it is combined with the basis. So lattice with the basis combined together gives you the crystal structure. I think I made my point very much clear to you. In association with the crystal structures, very normally a definition comes called as unit cell. Unit cells are defined as these are the basic building blocks, fundamental building blocks of a crystal structure. And due to unit cells, the atomic positions and geometry is defined in the crystal structure. How it is done? So this is done like this. So here you can see the red color one, they are having the specific orientation and their location is fixed. These are very specific in their arrangements, which we have arranged like this. This is, if I could able to draw it very clearly for you, then you can see that a cube which is forming here and having a orientation repeated so many times at the backward, adjacent to it, left as well as to the right. So what is this unit one? The unit cell which is repeating itself so many times. So unit cell is a periodic arrangement which are the fundamental building blocks of any crystal structure. Any crystal structure. So keep this always in mind that unit cells, they are meant to define the fundamental building blocks of a crystal structure. Got this point? So let me here announce that the unit cell and the crystal structures, they are very much nearer to it. Crystal structure is made out of the unit cells. So unit cell is a part of crystal structure. If it is clear, then you can subscribe this channel and we will stop the screen now. And now